Future perfect continuous tense, sentence and structure. First of all, please like and subscribe my channel. In case of continuous action in future time, when the time is fixed, future perfect continuous tense is used. Future perfect continuous tense is a tense which is used to indicate action or event that will be continue time in future. Structure: affirmative action, subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for. We will have been wasting our time since morning. हम सुबह से अपना समय नष्ट कर रहे होंगे. We will have been watering the plants since evening till 8 p.m. हम शाम से रात 8 बजे तक पौधों में पानी दे रहे होंगे. पापा will have been cleaning the house for 2 hours yesterday. पापा कल 2 घंटे से घर की सफाई कर रहे होंगे. आंटी will have been cooking for 4 hours. चाची 4 घंटे से खाना पका रही होंगी. धीरज will have been studying in this college for 4 years. धीरज 4 साल से इस कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा होगा. She will have been tiring after cleaning house for 2 hours. वह 2 घंटे तक घर की सफाई करके थक गई होगी. Her child will have been studying in playgroup since 2011. उनका बच्चा 2011 से प्ले ग्रुप में पढ़ रहा होगा. Maybe you will have been studying for 4 days. शायद आप 4 दिन से पढ़ रहे होंगे. Children will have been playing outside since morning. बच्चे सुबह से बाहर खेल रहे होंगे. Grandma will have been sleeping since morning. दादी सुबह से सो रही होंगी. Mother will have been cooking for 4 hours. माता जी 4 घंटे से खाना पका रही होंगी. Negative sentence structure: subject plus will or shall plus not plus have been plus verb and ing plus object plus since or for. I shall not have been playing football since 2 o'clock. मैं 2 बजे से फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहा होऊंगा. They will not have been working since 8 o'clock. वे 8 बजे से काम नहीं कर रहे होंगे. He will not have been passing the exam for 1 year. वह 1 वर्ष से परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण नहीं कर रहा होगा. He will not be passing the exam this year. वह इस साल में परीक्षा पास नहीं कर रहा होगा. Ram will not have been saying that she is beautiful for 4 hours. राम 4 घंटे से नहीं कह रहा होगा कि वह सुंदर है. He will not have been liking her for 2 years. वह 2 साल से उसे पसंद नहीं कर रहा होगा. He must not have liked her for 2 years. Also, she will not have been liking him for 2 months. वह 2 महीने से उसे पसंद नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not have been asking to him for 4 hours. वह 4 घंटे से उससे नहीं पूछ रही होगी. He will not have been running on the road since 5 o'clock. वह 5 बजे से सड़क पर नहीं दौड़ रहा होगा. They will not have been saying to come on Monday for last week. वे पिछले सप्ताह से सोमवार को आने के लिए नहीं कह रहे होंगे. She will not have been working since morning. वह सुबह से काम नहीं कर रही होगी. I will not have been thinking about she crossed the limit since morning. मैं सुबह से ही उसके बारे में नहीं सोच रहा हूँगा कि वह हदें पार कर रही होगी. राजू will not have been coming by train since yesterday. राजू कल से ट्रेन से नहीं आ रहा होगा. Interrogative sentence structure. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for. Will they have been playing since morning? क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे होंगे? Will he have been playing cricket match since morning? क्या वह सुबह से क्रिकेट मैच खेल रहा होगा? Will they not have been playing football since morning? क्या सुबह से फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे होंगे? Will they have been wasting their time since morning? क्या वे सुबह से अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे होंगे? Will they have been reading for 1 week? क्या वे 1 सप्ताह से पढ़ रहे होंगे? Will children have been jumping since noon? क्या बच्चे दोपहर से ही उछल कूद कर रहे होंगे? Will grandma have been sleeping since noon? क्या दादी दोपहर से सो रही होंगी? Will Papa not have been reading newspaper since morning? क्या पापा सुबह से अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे होंगे? Will servant have been washing car for 2 hours at least? क्या नौकर कम से कम 2 घंटे से कार धो रहा होगा? Will she have been cooking food since 4 o'clock? क्या वह 4 बजे से खाना बना रही होगी? Will they have been cleaning house for 4 hours? क्या वे 4 घंटे से घर की सफाई कर रहे होंगे? English with Sharika Srivastav. Like and subscribe, please. First of all, for better knowledge about English grammar.